Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we're going to prepare Udupi Style Pavakka Roast. The highlight of this dish is the correct balance between the bitterness of the bitter gourd, the sweetness of the jaggery, the sourness of the tamarind. This can be served with steamed rice, curd rice, etc. Let us see how to prepare Udupi Style Pavakka Roast. Here I have taken 2 big bitter gourd. I have cut the bitter gourd into small pieces. I have removed the hard seeds. Then I have taken 75 grams of jaggery, 2 tablespoons coconut grated, a few curry leaves and a small gooseberry sized piece of tamarind. Let us add a little salt to the bitter gourd. Let us mix it well. Let us rest it for 15 minutes, then let us squeeze it. By doing so, we can reduce the bitterness of the bitter gourd. I have squeezed all the bitter gourd. I have powdered the jaggery. I have soaked the tamarind in a little water. Let us heat a kadai. Let us add 1.5 tablespoons coconut oil. Let us add half teaspoon mustard seeds. The mustard seeds have spluttered. Let us add the curry leaves and the bitter gourd. Let us add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Let us fry the bitter gourd well. The bitter gourd is cooked now. Let us add a pinch of Asafoetida powder, a pinch of Fenugreek powder, 1/4 teaspoon Cumin seeds powder. Let us add half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder. Let us add salt. The masala is well fried now. Let us add the jaggery. Let us add the tamarind juice. Let us not add much water. Let us roast the bitter gourd in the masala. The bitter gourd is well fried now. It is developing a crust. Let us add the coconut. Let us mix it well. Let us turn off the gas. Udupi Style Pavakka Roast is now ready. Let us transfer it to a serving tray. Hope you like the Udupi Style Pavakka Roast preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.